Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, so welcome to this Clockify REST API series. So this is second video on Clockify REST API and this is the first one. So if you have, please watch this video before moving to the next one. Now in this video we talked about this get and post method. Now in this new video or today's video we are going to talk about put and delete. So this put method is basically used for update data. So we are going to use this update client under this client. So let me copy this one. So this is going to be update client. So workspace or Clockify API workspace ID, and then it's saying clients and then slash client ID, right? So slash and then client ID. So client ID, let's see if we do have this client ID or not. Okay, so we don't have the client ID, so we can use this get all client, and let's say in this immediate window the client ID is this one, name is test client, right? So let me add another constant Clockify client ID or test client ID as a string. That is this one. So we're going to use this one as an example. So clients and then slash and then client ID. Now in this section you can see that name of this client is test client, right? So I have to update this one, that it's saying send range h4.value. So in this h4 you can see that it has name test client, my note about test client. So instead of that, what I'll just say that okay, current viewer of my video, okay, and I can just say okay, this thanks for watching, subscribe for more video. So we are just updating this name and notes, so I'm not going to change anything else. Let's see. Okay, we need to change this post to put method. Let's hope for the best and let's run it. Okay, it's saying that this is run successfully. Let's see. Oh, we can just do this get call and you can just see that if this is updated or not. Oh, that's good. You can see this name, my video, and then thanks for watching. So this is being updated and this is an example of put method. Okay, now we're going to see one more example on delete method. So that is delete client, this one. Yep, workspace ID, clients and client ID. So only change in this section is that this one, right? So let's see if I just copy this one and just change this name, that delete client, change this method name to delete. Now let's see this delete method. Its example is that we just need to pass this call, we don't need to pass any body, so we can get rid of this particular section and let's see, let's run it. Okay, now let's see if we have client or not. So there is no client. That means this client has been deleted from our data. Okay, so we can just again use this add client. So this is our client ID, new client ID. So I have to just update this one, and now we can just do same things like update client. So that is this one, current view of my YouTube, and then we can just again do this delete client. So that is this client has been deleted. This is how we can do this delete call and put call. Okay, so we do have one more call. I'll show you that patch method call in the next video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.